I'm rich and bad. Ooh, ooh, yeah.
Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake that hair, hey, shake, hey, shake, hey. Oh yeah. Okay, let me stop. I'm getting dizzy.
They cannot slow me down.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's good? What's poppin'? What's up? What you doing? Whew. Alright, so I know. Alright, apart from my hair, I look really pretty. Anyways, it don't even matter because we're gonna do our hair today. I'm gonna do my hair today because I'm tired of looking like trash. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hairstyle right here. A couple of people were asking me to make a video on that hairstyle, so here it is. But this is the hair that I'm using. It's called Mambo Open Loop, and this is crochet hair. And you just take each hair and you just put it on your hair. I really like the curls, they're very defined and it's soft. Okay, so to prep your hair, obviously you want to comb out your hair, oil it up, all of that good stuff. And then I went ahead and part my hair in half. Literally the part does not have to be perfect because it's going to be covered anyways, so it just depends on you. If you want it to be perfect, go ahead, but it doesn't have to be. I just left the rest of this in a bun. First thing that we're gonna do is get the edge booster. You guys always see me using this. I can't stop, like their stuff is really good. And this is a brand new one. Woo, smells so good. So yeah, now I'm just gonna comb this part up and get it all neat. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my gosh, I look like a troll. No, baby. Okay, and then you want to take the gel, well, the pomade, and put it around the perimeter of the top piece. Oh my gosh, I already look decent. Now you want to take your brush and just brush it up. Make sure you get every little piece of hair so nothing sticks out. I have my mirror right here and it was way too far, and I'm just now realizing that. Well, okay. Hair tie. And obviously put your hair in line. Duh. And the way how I'm doing this, I'm honestly not going to pull all my hair through because your hair is going to be hidden anyways, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So tiny. The less hair you can hide, the better the hairstyle will look, because you don't want your real hair to be shown through unless you want that. If you want, you can go ahead and do your edges. I personally like doing my edges because it makes your hairstyles stand out. Mine are the signature swoops. I don't really do much, but I just take the hair from here and just pull it out because I feel like it fits my face really well. Boom. See? I'm gonna go ahead and put a sideburn down and into the other side. Right here. Boom. Alright, y'all, so I'm back and I just put in the first one and it is cute. Imagine all, like, look how long this hair is. Look how long it is. Girl, just keep watching. Okay, so say you're doing the same hairstyle with me and you don't have your needle. So that same needle that you use to put the hair through to your hair so you can tie it or whatever. Okay, so when I was about to do my hair, I realized that I could not find my needle, right? So what I did, there's a loop at the top, just like this. And then I just like pull it through, like I just pull it. And then I just like make a little hole through my hair with my nails and then I push the hair through. So I want to show you guys. So, okay, so I have a little hole right here. So I'm just gonna take the top of the hair and push it through. Just like that, just push it through. And then I'm gonna pull one end only. I'm literally only gonna pull one end. So when I do that, hold on. So when I do that, it's like this. And then I just make sure that they're at the same length. And then I just take the hair and tie it. And I tie it about 2 to 3 times. You just want to make sure it's secure, but if you only tie it one time, it's not going to be secured at all. So you gotta tie it one time and then tie it the next time and then just pull that really good and boom, the hair is attached. See, I figured things out. And that's how you do it without needles. The getaway, because I just realized I don't have mine. So I'm literally just gonna pull it through and then make another like part in my hair. This might take longer, but I'd rather do this. Take that hair again, pull it through, tie it one time, and then make another tie. Boom. Done. Y'all, this is gonna be so cute. Okay guys, so this is the first row done, and this is how it's looking. Like, it's already so full. So like I said, I'm just pulling it through.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us, and it's the only way we know how to rock. The one who said put your lips like this, that I was good.
mad pretty. Okay, first of all, let me just say, this hair is a lot. As you can see, this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. Y'all. I like it still. What do y'all think? Cause I really love this. It's really nice. It's a really nice brown reddish color. I love it. It feels like a pillow. And this hair does not smell at all. Like this hair does not have a smell, no odor, nothing.
Ooh, yeah, young rich and black, ooh, yeah. I got 7 whole figures that is in my checking. DDG got all the answers, I don't do no guessing. Bust down, AP, VVS, my settings. Bust down, DDG got my name on a pendant. My account stressed out, trying to tally the spending. She don't really want.
Hey, y'all, look at my hair. I'm finally done. But this is so pretty. It is a lot of hair, and I know, all right, that's better. So I know as the days go by, it's gonna get fuller. So I will be cutting it, like just like shaving the inside of it. That synthetic hair, like literally this look like real hair, real human hair. This is really pretty. So I did my makeup and everything. With my hair, I can do so many hairstyles with this. I can like leave 2 hairs right here and then like pin the rest of the hair back. Boom, that's a hairstyle right there. Ooh, yeah. Shake that hair, hey, shake, shake, hey. Oh yeah. Okay, let me stop. I'm getting dizzy. But this is so cute. This is so cute. Trim it just a bit, like right there at that. Making rocks Okay. So before I go, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. Everybody that subscribed. If y'all really like this video and this hair tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit that post notification bell also so you'll never miss a video from me. I really love my hair. Oh my gosh, my hair is so cute. I low-key look like Jasmine Brown. You know that girl on YouTube. By the way, I really love you. Your videos are bomb. But yeah, I love my hair so much. It's so cute. But yeah, give me a big thumbs up and I'll see y'all in my next video. video. Later.